Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in the US with a VPN. First, it's crucial to understand the potential risks involved, as this method might violate terms of service. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable VPN provider that offers robust security features and a wide selection of server locations. Once you have your VPN, connect to a server in a country where Binance operates without restrictions. This initial setup is key to accessing the platform. Remember to always prioritize your security and privacy. After connecting your VPN to an appropriate server, it's important to clear your browser's cookies and cache. This helps prevent location detection based on past browsing data. Then, proceed to create a new Binance account. When signing up, be mindful of the information you provide. It's best to avoid using any personal details that could directly link back to your United States residency. This step is critical for maintaining the integrity of your access and minimizing potential issues with the platform. Once your Binance account is set up, you'll need to fund it. The safest way to do this is by transferring cryptocurrencies from an existing wallet that is not linked to your United States identity. Avoid attempting direct fiat deposits from United States bank accounts or credit cards, as these transactions are easily traceable. Focus on secure trading practices and always manage your portfolio responsibly. Remember, the goal is to maintain a low profile while accessing the platform's features. Finally, always be aware of Binance's terms of service. Using a VPN might put your account at risk of restrictions or even closure if detected. Stay informed about any changes in both VPN and exchange policies to adapt your strategy as needed. It's crucial to prioritize security and understand the evolving landscape of crypto regulations. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Stay safe and trade smart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.